In this lesson, we will discuss linear regression, multiple variables, and I have written some information for you. The data is available in the form of CSV file. First, I will show you the CSV file, then we will go back to the Jupyter notebook. So see here, we have four columns: area, bedrooms, age, and price. So price is the dependent variable. It depends on area, bedrooms, and age. Suppose the area of the house is 2500 square feet. It has three bedroom and it is 25 years old. So the price is 500K dollars. Take this example here. Suppose we have a house of 3700 square feet. It has the same number of bedrooms. There are three bedrooms, but the price is 450K. Why the price is less than 2500 square feet? Because here it is 25 years old and this house is 35 years old. Though it is the area is more compared to this, but it is more older than this house. So it means that price depends on these three factors. These three are the independent variables while price is the dependent variable. We will take this CSV file as an example and work on our multiple regression model. So see here, data processing, cleaning. First of all, we have to clean our data. If we have some missing values in our data set, we have to write down something there. So I will show you how to do it. Then we will apply our model. So as I have told you that price is the dependent variable, and this formula we have to use. Price, see here, this is the dependent variable. M1, M2 and M3, these are the coefficients, while area, bedrooms, and age, these are the independent variables. In machine learning, sometimes we also call features. Features mean independent variable, and B is the intercept. Now, when you will read this, I hope that each and every point will be clear. So we are going to start our model. First of all, we have to import pandas. So import pandas as PD, and from sklearn import linear underscore model. When I will run it, it is successfully executed. My second step is I have to give some name to my data set. So as we are working on the home prices, that is why I have given home underscore prices, but whatever name you like, data frame, you can give to this model. So here now we have to import our file. You have to write down this syntax: pd dot read underscore csv, and in parentheses you have to provide the path of your csv file. I will show you where is my csv file. So I have stored my csv file here. You have to right click wherever your csv file is, go to the properties, and then from properties go to the security. This is the path. You can see at the end it says CSV comma separated values. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard and Control V here. When you will run it, sometimes you will see Unicode error. So how to get rid of this error? Just write down R here, because this is the read only file, and you can see that it is gone. Now we have to check whether our data is imported here successfully or not. So just write down the name of your data frame, which is home underscore prices, execute it, and see exactly same data which I had showed you in the CSV file is here. But here, see, this is the missing value. As I have mentioned here, that first of all you have to clean your data or process your data. So here is the missing value. We have to work on it. This is bedrooms column, right? So what is the best way? There are two or three different ways, but the best way is I will take the median of this column and then I will write down whatever comes there. So how to apply the median function? You can apply the other mean function, other function, same way. Write down the name of your database, home underscore prices, and in which column we are going to apply. We are going to apply median on bedrooms. Then you have to write down dot bedrooms dot median. If it is mean, just write down mean here, right? At a time you can write down one function here. When I will execute it, you will see the output is 3.5. It means we have 3.5 bedrooms. It does not seem good if we say we have a 3.5. So in order to make it round, you have to import math, right? Import math, and then you have to write down math dot floor function, right? And in parentheses, exactly whatever you have write down here, home underscore prices dot bedroom dot median, write down here, and we will give some name. This is, suppose my variable name is median underscore bedrooms, because we are going to take the median, right? Okay, now when I will run this variable, there is no need to write down this again because we have assigned some name to this. When I will run this, you will see now our answer is in the whole number, that is 3. We can say yes, we have 3 bedrooms. Now to verify whether it is there or not in our data set, but it is still there, NaN value is there. Why NaN value is there? Because here just we have calculated the mean. We have to use the fill na function, which is called fill now function as well, in order to fill this gap. So home underscore prices dot bedrooms dot fill na, and in parentheses you have to write down whatever name you have assigned here, this variable name, which is median underscore bedrooms. So when I will run this, so you will see now it is filled. We have 3 bedrooms here, right? And the data type is float. Okay, now we have to apply this lnow function, because here we can see only one column, right? We want our original data frame. So whatever you have written here, see here, home underscore prices dot bedrooms dot villa, exactly same. We will give some name, home underscore prices dot bedrooms. So now when I will run it, you will see that instead of na we have 3 value there. There are 3 bedrooms, right? So in this way our first part is done, that processing or cleaning, because there was only one missing value. If you have more missing values or different columns, you can apply the same functions there. Now we are going to create an object, because our second object of this lesson is linear regression multiple variables. To create an object, model is equal to, here whatever name you want, if you want you can give regression or linear, whatever. I said model because we are creating the model, is equal to linear underscore model dot linear regression. Keep in mind this L and R should be capital. If by mistake we will use a small r, there will be an error. So it is executed successfully. To train the model means we are going to make our model ready to apply. We have to use dot fit function. So whatever name you have used here, same thing, model dot fit, in parentheses write down the name of your data frame, and these are the independent variables. We had discussed very well in our last lesson that independent variables we have to write down in 2D array. 2D array means we have to use 2 square brackets. And suppose if you want to write down 4 or 5 independent variables, they should be separated by commas. You have to write down in quotation. And then comma home prices dot price, this is my dependent variable. When you will run it, it is executed successfully. Now our model is ready, is trained, right? Here suppose if I say model dot predict, if the house is 2800 square feet and it has suppose 5 bedroom, the house is 30 years old, what is the price? So it will predict that 457 will be the price of that house, right? If I will change this, instead of 30 years, if I will say if the house if the 2800 is the square feet house, 5 bedrooms and 10 years old, when you will run it, it will give you the output which says approximately 621k, right? So you can play with it, just change this number, make it 3000 or 6 bedroom or 3 bedroom, or increase the number of years, it will give you the different values, right? But the question is how we got this figure. If here I will show you, as I have told you that we have 3 independent variables, right? Age, bedrooms and area. So M1, M2 and M3 model dot coef underscore. If I will run this, you will see this is for M1, this is for M2, this is for M3. And now we have a b intercept as well. If you want to know the value of b intercept, what the system has used here, so just write down model dot. It is not necessary that you have to write down model. Whatever name you have used here, same name you have to use here. When you will run it, you will get this is the value of b. Now if I will apply these values here, see this is my M1. If I will write down M1 here, multiply by 2800 square feet plus this is my M2 second variable, which is bedroom. Here multiply by, we want 5 bedroom, and then plus here is my third, just copy, and our I say for 10 years old, plus b is our intercept. When I will run it, you will see exactly 621k, right? This is for your practice, and here your model is ready to apply. If you want, make it, suppose if I say 5 bedroom and the square foot, we will change it, make it 3000, and if it is suppose only 3 years old, so you will see the output will change, it will be 683k. So how simple it is. Now if you have 4 variables, 5 variables, you have to apply the same concept. So please practice it. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.